I'm Mike Pankonin. I'm the Senior Director of Tech and Safety Services for AEM. And what we deal with a number of different product groups. We have about 34 plus product groups where we deal with issues that the industry faces on a product by product basis. And then we also deal with topical issues like silica exposure, noise and vibration, Tier 4 issues. Those are the types of things that we work with. I think one of the challenges has to do with standardization of the communication protocols. And we have worked with some of the manufacturers in telematics. We're a strong supporter of standardization. And in order for automation to be fully implemented, the equipment needs to talk back and forth to each other. If we have fully automated equipment, it needs to tell each other where they're at, where they are in position in the work environment. I think there are a lot of opportunities, not only in automation, but also in worksite management for increased efficiencies. Well, the automation that we talked about really is the big one. There are other activities being done which will enhance the safety of the equipment. A lot of the service now is down at ground level to both check, to refill a machine for both hydraulics as well as fuels. Some of the access and egress systems that are being developed are, I would say, designed for an aging workforce. And I think that many of the mine operators are appreciative of that. Every industry that we deal with is challenged with getting skilled labor. It seems to be a very, very important issue, and AEM has done some work in workforce development, although I'll have to admit that we much more focus on the equipment itself. AEM is participating at Mine Expo. We will have a booth there. We're going to have the better part of 10 people represented there. We're a strong supporter of having a location where we can meet with our members, with our customers, with end users. And I know I'm going to be going down there to deal with members and to try to communicate some of the services that we have to offer. We have stats people who are going to be doing likewise. I think that these shows have so much to offer. Sometimes it becomes overwhelming. For me, I do have a couple of specific topics that I'm looking for. One of them has to do with the access and egress systems. I'm going to be very sensitive to looking at those. I am interested in the automation and try to pick up where the industry feels it's going with automation. One of the issues that I'm also looking for is some of the technologies that are used where the equipment knows where people are on the job site. It could be a tag system, it may be ultrasonic or radar type detection. Those types of systems are becoming much more prevalent, and I think probably in the near future are going to be very, very common in sites.